Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on Tabnine. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tabnine.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Tabnine website, from which in order to log in you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now from this page you will be allowed to enter your credentials. So go ahead and type in your email address that you used to sign up for Tabnine while creating your account. After typing in your email, go ahead and enter your password. And after typing your password, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account on Tabnine. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot password button alongside the password option. After clicking on the sign in button, you will directly be logged into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Tabnine. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.